Today we're focused on connected speech in pronunciation, particularly the D to Y transition. One kind of interesting thing about connected speech is when one word ends in a D sound, the next word begins with a Y sound, we connect it with a J sound. Now this is very common in questions like did you, could you, would you, things like that, right? So today I want to help your whole English fluency with pronunciation, sentence stress, intonation. I want to give them a boost and just make it sound like you're speaking more naturally. Practice and repeat with me. What did you do yesterday? Pretty robotic, right? What did you do yesterday? No one talks like that. So we often contract did you to just didja. Practice it with me. What did you do? What did you do? Notice also I'm adding a glottal T here. You don't have to. What? What? It's when your throat closes, makes that sound. What? And notice sentence stress. I stressed what and do. So it sounds like this. Repeat it with me. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do yesterday? You can even remove it altogether. What did you do yesterday? What did you do? Ridiculous, I know, but this is one way we really talk. So, copy, repeat with me. What did you do? What did you do? Nice. Practice a few variations with me with did you questions. What did you do yesterday? Oh, you went shopping? Awesome. Where did you go? Oxford Street, terrible choice. What did you buy? American Candy and Harry Potter ones. Amazing. Who did you go with? Oh, your mum. That's cute. Okay, what else? Oh, when did you eat today? This one, can you hear? It's a little bit different. Because of this vowel sound in eat, we'll say it more like did you? Did you? When did you eat? Notice another element of connected speech here, the intrusive "w" between you and eat. You eat. Say it with me. You eat. It links it together really nicely. When did you eat? When did you eat? Can you feel how flowy that is? That feels more fluent, right? All right, so let's practice with a few different options. We're gonna change the question word to how, why, when, what, who, and change the verb and the situation. For example, in the morning, you might ask, how did you sleep? Notice again the sentence stress. How did you sleep? Why did you call me? Next, would you? We're gonna smush it together like would ya. So practice just this with me. Would ya? Would ya? Nice. Okay. Would you like to blah, blah, blah? Very common question structure. So let's practice a few of those. For example, would you like to come? We're gonna smush this together. Would ya? Would you like to come? Would you like to go? Would you like to stay? Would you like to go to a park? Would you like to join the meeting? Would you like to eat something? The awesome nerds of you will notice that between to and eat, again, we're connecting an intrusive w. To eat. Say it with me. To eat. Would you like to eat something? Would you like to eat something? Again, glottal T, not necessary, but it's an option you can try. Eat something. Would you like to eat something? Would you like to eat something? Nice. Again, you have the option, you can change would ya to would you, particularly if you're focused on that person, if that person is the focus of the question, like this. I would not like to eat this. Would you? The focus of the question is you, so then we say it like would you? Would you like to do that? Would you want a coffee? No. Would you? See? You're very good at this. Would you like a drink? It's a bottle of water. We're gonna get some food. Would you like to come? Would you like a coffee? Nice. Again, make your own sentences with this. Keep would you, but change the verb, change the situation. Make it something you really might say in everyday English. Next, could you also has that dy transition, j. Now, make sure you don't overpronounce these by pushing it out like, could ya do something, right? It's weak, it's nothing. Could ya? Could ya? The stress is here, not here. Could ya? Not could ya? No. Could ya? So very common questions you can ask. Could you pass me the charger? Repeat with me. Nice. Faster. Could you pass me the charger? You're amazing. Could you show me what to do? I mean, you are just amazing. Let's continue. Could you help me with this? Could you lend me a hand? Nice. Could you give me some advice? Also notice give me, we sometimes contract to gimme. Gimme. Could you gimme? Could you give me some advice? Say with me. Could you give me some advice? Nailed it. My phone's dead. Could you pass me the charger? I don't know what to do with this. Could you show me what to do? I can't work tomorrow. Could you cover my shift? Could you get me a drink? Bottle of water, cheers. Okay, now you change it. Personalize it, make it more useful to you. Again, keep could you, but change the verb, change the situation. Now, if this is your first lesson, you can end here. That's a lot to practice. You can come back tomorrow and practice again if you want. However, if you want more, let's get more advanced. I said we can contract what did you do to what did you do? That's one way. However, there's a more lazy, quicker way. Just say j. What'd you do yesterday? Again, you have options how you pronounce things. So you can glottalize that T. What j do yesterday? Say it with me. What'd you do yesterday? Or you can remove the T completely. What'd you do yesterday? Oh, what'd you do yesterday? Oh, where'd you go shopping? What'd you do last night? Oh, you went to eat something? Where'd you eat? Again, notice that because the next verb begins with a vowel sound, it's more of a oo than a schwa. Where'd you eat? Where'd you eat? And again, that intrusive w, where'd you eat? Say it with me. Where'd you eat? Nice. Where'd you eat? That's a terrible restaurant. Who'd you go with? You went with your mum again. You don't have friends? Wow, you look tired. What time do you sleep? Wow, what'd you dream about? Remember, you can come back tomorrow and practice this again and again and again until your English is fluent, rapid, and sounds amazing. If you like this video, remember to hit the like button. It really, really helps. Also, share this video with anyone who is practicing their English. You can practice together. Let me know what you want to see in the next class, and I'll see you next time. Bye.